Welcome to the wonderful world of physical activities for older adults. No matter whether you're active, not so active, fit or not so fit, disabled or non-disabled, sturdy or frail, physical activity can be part of your life. Exercising at my age? Isn't it dangerous? Why should I do sports? These are possible questions that can pop up in your mind. Well, let me try to convince you that living an active lifestyle will improve the quality of your life. There are many benefits of physical activity for older adults. The most important are improved health and physical ability. For example, being more flexible will help you reach a cup on the top shelf or tie your shoelaces. Being stronger and having better balance will help you lift and carry sacks of groceries and will make it easier to stand up from your bed, chair or get out of the bathtub. Improving your cardiorespiratory endurance, your heart and lungs, will enable you to climb stairs, dance or play with your grandchildren without getting out of breath. Furthermore, regular physical activity reduces the risks of developing medical conditions such as osteoporosis, diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and can reduce the risk of falls. People who exercise are less likely to become depressed. They feel better and have less stress. By taking part in physical activity, you can meet people and explore the surrounding world. But there are many more reasons to become physically active. Watch these 3 video clips and find out about activities you can do indoors, outdoors, or in the water. Be inspired by the examples you will see. Get up and start moving. Find your own way of being active. I am sure you'll find something that you will like.